Finally, the moment we've been running for. It's Friday, and I finally get to play Capuchin for the first time ever. I've heard a lot of good things about this. It also has a 4.2 star rating, so I'm guessing it is a very good game. Of course, I cannot look at the trailer, even though I want to. But of course, I can't, so I probably have to, do that. Gallery. Why did I go to gallery? Well, I mean, I guess this is a good thing because then I could see my videos. Yeah, that's good, I guess. Because I need to see how long the video is because I didn't edit the Chimplab VR video yet. Why is it trademarked? Like, that's just the titles. No one else has that trademarked. Except for... Oh, wait, no, that's still Chimplab. Yeah, it's the only thing that has a trademarked in the name. Capuchin! I hope I'm saying that right. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah. I read everything. I'm practically a speed reader because I just read all of that in 5 seconds. Is this a horror game?
Welcome back. It seems you were out for quite a while. We're glad to see you awake. How are you feeling? Ah, yes, fair enough. Oh, on another note, we have some good news for you. Your experimentation contract is up and you're free to go. But we can't have that, can we? We can't have you telling the world what we did to you.
Is this a story game?
Goodbye, Dave. We wish you all but the best.
I did not know this game was that deep. Oh no. Wall climb. I can wall climb, right? Oh, I probably should put a warning there. That's definitely causing something. Oh, wow. I'm lagging, but this music goes on. Oh, it has turn. Somewhat. It kind of works. Let's see. What is this? Welcome to Capuchin Terminal. Out of order. You say not in the east, but it's good enough, I guess. Ow! My hand just got stuck. Go up here. Let's see what this is. Oh. Hard time. What just happened? Party time! Oh, yeah!
Capuchin.
Capuchin. Is that like a cat pussy? I'm not really a cat pussy. I'm a cat pussy.
What? Alright, let's just... 0-9. Oh my god. I kind of found that.
Yeah, Titan. What?
Like, run on your fingers.
Who wants to do horror?
You have like collision.
I'm already in whore. You fucking whore. Wow!
Yo, why are we all fat? Why am I fat?
Oh fuck.
I didn't know I was so fat, bro. Bro, I need to work out. Why are we so fat in this game?
I am Capuchin.
Who's in the call?
Someone left.
Okay,
Oh, Marlon joined and just left. Wow.
this movement is bad. I'll
He
say
was just
that.
in here,
The
bro?
movement's
Yo,
bad.
Fitch.
Yo, what?
I
So
know
Marlon
it's the
just chills in
same
the call.
movement as Gorilla Tag and all the other games, but
Hey,
this
strange-
game
Start
strange
beating
one.
your
just
fuck.
sucks.
Yeah, no, this game is like, you can grip to anything.
Start
This-
beating your meat.
Bro, why did I-
Everyone. Beat your meat.
Why did a kid just... Alright, hold on, I'm joining too. Why did a kid just start saying, start beating your meat?
Like, I can't.
Taylor,
I'm
start
just
beating your
sliding.
meat.
I'm
That
bouncing.
meat, since you
I'm
said start
bouncing
saying
off
too
of
fast.
everything. Like, in Gorilla Tag, that would be so easy.
You fucking slimy noises and you just making it go.
And it's scary. This would be so easy.
Am I...
Yeah, it's hard. in
You
Capuchin.
fucking slimy
Kinda.
noises, bro.
Hold on, I think I need to leave the
Okay,
game.
I made it to the top of the
Cause I'm on-
pumpkin.
Cause I'm already...
I don't really.
Hey, I can just hear CG's voice.
My
in
worst
Capuchin.
nightmare with ladders.
CG?
I suck at climbing ladders in games.
And you know, I fucking just
actually
beat the
suck at
horror,
climbing
and
ladders.
I'm going
games.
reverse.
And the down shot,
I'm going down reverse lane.
literally in
Duh.
any game.
I'm reverse.
I suck at climbing ladders. I also hate climbing ladders. It's so slow. In Capuchin, it's worse because I keep on falling off. Oh, I could just do this. No! What if I do, like, no. Bench climbing seems like the best option. If I can, like I said, I'm bouncing. And my fingers are just slipping off the ladder. No! Bro, I literally was on it. I don't know what else it wants me to do. Like, look at this. Okay, it didn't do it this time. But I swear this movement sucks. I can't get up. Help! Help me!
And he ascends from the ground.
Help! Please help me!
And he ascends from the
I can't get up! Help! Help! Please! Send help! Firefighters! Call firefighters! They have ladders. Come on. Just have to climb it slowly but surely. Slow. Are you? I swear, my arm literally extended. Help me! Help! I'm stuck.
I can relax. You gotta stop.
Okay. I have to restart my game. I literally couldn't get up. I'm not even.
I am banned for monkey sex. Guys, I got
what's
banned
saying
for
that?
monkey sex, monkey sex, monkey sex, monkey sex. Ah. Need more monkey sex in the world.
How did I do that? Oh wait, whoa! I'm Spider-Man. I guess you can only climb onto trees, but I can't climb onto the wall or anything. Oh yeah, it's so easy. Like if I could climb onto the wall.
You right now. It's gonna take me a long while.
Oh yeah, I can. Why does it look exactly like Gorilla Tags? Just copying. Oh, I guess every game is copied. Warning.
Yo.
Blah blah blah. Yeah, I know. Later.
Oh.
No. Oh. Oh. Oh my.
They need a small arm. They need a broken arm.
Wait, can you? I guess you could grab onto anything except for the walls. What is that?
We should run. I've played this game forever. What?
What was that?
We did.
What just
We did.
happened? I
Wait
can't,
for me.
I can't see.
Yo, you have to pull up the arm. Where's my arm? No. My
I guess
arm.
we
Where's
have
my?
to charge this?
Yo, where's the exit? Where's the exit? It's right here.
Okay, I'm flipping this on. There. I can see much better now. Oh. Go. So I'm guessing I could have grabbed onto the ladder. I don't.
Yo, is there any monsters here? Oh, hold on. Is there pretty fast bear? Bear? I found the arm, you. Yo, look. I found it. You can't see the arm. Where? Okay, I'm gonna.
Oh, that's what we needed to do. Are we sure we want to do this again? Like,
This is scary.
is it necessary?
What did you just see go down?
Hold on, I'm going up here.
Oh shoot!
Oh no, not!
Oh shoot!
What the frick? What's this?
What is this?
I'm going up here
Ew.
later. Oh, okay, that makes sense.
Hey!
Bye. No, no, no.
No!
Where are we?
Ew, I don't know. How do you escape? I can see way better. Guys, there's a monster here. You have to flip your hand over if you want
Alright, we have to get all of those, I guess.
to. No, we don't. That's just a charge of your thing that tells you where the monster is. That's just a charge of your watch.
Oh, that makes sense. Alright, let's go. What are we supposed to do?
I love stepping on meat. I guess we just find the exit to the maze.
Alright, let's go.
Follow me.
What's that noise? You guys hear that?
It's cool. Follow me.
Well, I'm not good at following things. I usually go off the path. It's beeping a little bit faster.
Hey, don't beat me. Yeah, the faster it beeps, the closer that you are to the monster.
Oh, that makes sense.
One second, let me recharge my battery. It's faster, it's faster.
Alright, let's go find the exit, I guess. What is that? No, what is this?
That's Dave.
Dave.
Dave, you look healthy today. My crawler, Dave.
It's beeping pretty fast. Yo, Dave, what's up? You like my watch? It's pretty cool. Oh, I'm getting pretty dizzy. I'm getting dizzy. Oh, I'm seeing colors, dude.
Dave, I hate you.
Dude, I'm seeing colors.
Dave, stop it. Dave, no.
Dude, I'm seeing colors right now. I'm tripping bad.
I'm
Dude, I'm tripping.
I am tripping.
Oh, dude, I'm tripping. Oh, I'm actually getting dizzy. Alright, that's enough tripping. I called dibs on charging first. Yeah, just where are we supposed to go?
Dave,
I'll
stop
grab you.
it.
I've grabbed you.
I need a breather. I need a breather.
What? Grab
Bro,
me.
let
Grab
go in
me.
here.
Grab me. Grab
No,
me.
I'm not-
Help!
Capuchin used to be way better. It looks like you didn't get
I
robots.
think Dave's stuck.
What's here for OC Gorilla?
What year of OC Gorilla Cat? What year?
Don't worry about it. It's fine. Oh, where are we going? Hey, grab onto me for a second. Can you grab onto me? Grab onto me, like on my head. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Right. Come on. Grab on. Come on. Let's go. Oh, I'm stuck in the ground. Hold on. Hold on. Let's go. Didn't kill him. That's
I died because you died. Now let me get on your head. Hold up. Let me get onto the back of you so I can. Wait, no, I'm gonna get on your back.
I have your orange. Alright, let's go.
I need to get on your back. Let me get on your back.
Let's just run. You have to run around and find stuff.
I want to get on your back. We shouldn't find Dave again.
Hold on, I gotta recharge my thing. It's not really working correctly. I'm not hearing the beep.
Probably because you're not even near a monster.
No, you'll still hear a beep. Is Dave there? No. Where'd Dave go?
Wait, wasn't Dave
Where'd
here?
Dave go?
Wait, I think because we died, we heard he's loose.
Hold on. Oh, no, I'm not. What was that?
I know Dave was right here.
I don't think we're safe anymore. Where's Dave? Oh, he's still stuck over there. Alright, let's go
that's
find the
Dave.
exit then.
David just tweet me out. Don't worry.
Hi, Dave.
Hi,
Alright,
Dave.
bye, Dave.
Yeah. Don't get mad at us.
Was he over there? Was he always over there? I swear he wasn't over there. Alright, let's go. I don't want to trip. I don't want to be tripping anymore.
I don't want to go tripping again. Hey,
It's meat.
don't leave me. But last time I clicked the lever, that made it look so weird, man.
Meat walls, meat roof, meat monster, meat
Don't
floor,
leave me. Don't leave me.
meat floor.
Where are you? Where are you?
We have to find the exit. We're gonna find it eventually. There's an exit to this place, and we're gonna be the first ones to find it. Run!
Isn't it over here?
Oh, I need to recharge.
Yeah, mine needs charging too.
Alright guys, it's time for the rating. For rating Capuchin, about everything I did, about what unclimbable ladders, about the horror thing I played. It's time for the rating! Rating just barely. And just a hint, it's not rating higher than the The rating for Capuchin is a it doesn't work, then no one will want to play. So yeah, that's why. It's mainly because of snap turn and me getting stuck in that area. Anyways, that's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, just wait and subscribe. Maybe not. Alright. And I'll see
Okay,
you
now it's gonna be
guys
like really loud
tomorrow
music.
for the
So
next
put,
video.
Okay, let me come back.
it's gonna be really loud music.
Where are you at?
You're not gonna be able to hear us.
I just want to end the video.